Action, action. What's up, YouTube? For real though, it's your boy Wild Phil. We up in there tripping. Got my little niggas with me.
You already know my name, Jinx, baby. Let's go.
For real, man. Hey, P-Go, man. How many videos we downloaded?
What?
13.
12?
13?
13? Okay.
Hey, for real though, real talk, man, we tripping, man. Inside joke, man. You gotta be able to understand it, we tripping. Hey, check it out though, man. I mean, look, man, we be on that, we just freestyling, man. We coming straight off the dome for real, man. So I'm saying anything, rapping about anything, man. I mean, I know my close personal friends and people who know me, if they watch the videos, they be like, man, nigga, you tripping. For real. But let me clear things up, man. I'm not meaning what I'm saying. I'm freestyling. I mean, to be real with you, I heard Eminem say that. Don't try to dissect my every word. I'm just freestyling. I'm coming off the dome. When a rapper be rapping, he say some stuff. He don't mean he's just going with the flow. You know what I mean? Like, you know, I got some videos with my guns and stuff. I am not a thug. I'm not a gangster. I'm not trying to be that. But at the same time, man, you try to take what's mine on my family, I'm going to let you have it. That's just real. That's real talk. So, and I got my concealed license and stay on me, like my arms and my legs. I keep my pistols on me. It's bad out there. Don't act like you don't know we're in a recession in this world and people doing everything. You know what I mean? So, we about to go to number 14. Y'all ready to go to number 14?
Let's go, man.
We just thought we'd let y'all know what we really about. Shouts out to K. Rowland. Little Toots. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Check it. Black tee, gray bobble ones, Timberland boots, bitch, I'm the chosen one. Like I said before, the drama has begun. You wanna get with me coming off like Reverend Run. From the way back, bitch, it's a throwback. I put my thing straight in your bitty cap, but let me change up with this strange style. You like me then? Hey, you love me now. When it's done, I'm coming off the top. Like I said, I will never stop until I reach the top like a rocket. Check it out, I got $1,000 laid in my pocket. Let's roll.
We got a grand in this pocket, we ain't gon' stop. Ain't worried about it, nigga, you know that you gon' drop. This is that motivation, but I'm feeling like a vacation, flipping on them niggas. So, hey, man, you know I'm waving at you, girl, you know I'm taking right in the back. Boom, man, stop playing on, boy, you know we bout to be soon. Now that's all planned, you know I'm only 13, so we got to pass it out to my nigga. We be murking, baby.
We be murking, nigga, and we be flirting with y'all girls. Young starter gotta get it, baby, and that's the truth. But the beat finna drop, I'm finna cash back with it. So listen, young starter on this microphone just ripping it. Motivation song, so you know I'm steady tipping it. Haters say I can't rap, but I don't feel that. They really take a lot of crap and I will punch them with that tech. Bow, nigga, how you like me now? Came up like Chris Breezy, nigga, look at me now. Nigga, motivation song, that's that Kelly rolling. Pass it out to Wild Bill, cause we making this no man.
Silver and black, like I'm Oakland Raider. Black nigga, so call me Darth Vader. In the place to be, hey, I'm the Terminator. Pay me now, nigga, or you can pay me later. It don't matter to me. Take my shades up so my eyes can see. Dark brown light, and I'm feeling alright. I got an appetite for the structure game. Tonight is the night where I'm going. But Michael's and I'm looking so tight. I said it before, nigga, I can read or write. In the place to be, this beat is like out of control. Grab the microphone because I'm losing the soul.
Losing the soul. Better yet, he taking it. Stop playing on, boy, you know that I be sinking it. I'm in the pool chilling with your girlfriend. Man, stop playing. We don't make the world spin, just spin it at the mall. You know we gon' ball. Tim's on, yellow shirt, J's do it all. Ain't worrying about no dude say, homeboy, get out of my way, get out of my face. When I'm spitting, you know that I am written.
He is written, but the beat done drop. So you know I gotta get it, baby, non-stop. On the microphone, I'ma take it home. You mess with Young Starter, nigga, then it's on. Back up on the beat, cause the beat done drop again. You can't see me and Jinx, we make the world spin. Like he said, now forget that, cause we die. Pass it out to Wild Bill, cause it's time to ride.
Jump in my Trans Am when I wanna go fast. My white protege when I'm saving my gas. My black U-time when I'm with your bitch. I'm a crash fuel nigga and I'm so hood rich. Damn, you know a stitch, get them stitches. You know JB had a lot of bitches. I talk about it, cause you about it. And check it out, you beat me, I seriously doubt it. On the beat, I'ma rock it till the wheels fall off. Check it out, boy, cut your damn balls off. Just like that, and just like this, cause that's the way I'm coming down.